We're officially homeless now.
So we got everything in storage and we're just kind of making it up as we go. You ready? All right. Well, it's an epic time, notable time, because now we're officially homeless. So this is our last trip out of the house. I think we got everything. We've loaded the truck maybe 100 times full of stuff. Everything's in storage, so we are now good to go. Hey, Jax. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. On to the adventure. Well, if you notice, this isn't the same storage that we were showing you earlier. We actually had to get another one because our RV's not here yet. We just found out it'll be, what, 3 weeks out?
Yep.
So we don't have a house anymore.
Right.
And part of that issue is, where do we put all the stuff that's supposed to go in the RV? Because we have maxed out our home storage even after all the downsizing. So does that mean we failed?
No.
Okay.
No.
So we didn't fail. We planned exactly to the inches of our storage that we have.
That's right. Isn't there some kind of saying you'll fill up to as much as you have?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
That is amazing. So what other updates do we have?
Well, we got the 3 weeks. So how we had to do this is we had to fill up storage for long term. We had to get the short term storage that we would use until the RV got here. And then we had to throw in another little bit of, we have to live with the next 3 weeks. So how did we have to pack for that? So that was a whole nother set of storage issues. But we have it. We have it done. It's good.
Yeah, so just planning for 3 weeks of no house has been quite the ordeal. Just so many decisions to make.
Yeah.
We're just staying super fluid and hoping this plan all works out. Good news is states are opening now, so that's great, because we're just modifying our plans to stay in states that are opening.
Yep.
So that's good. Everything's kind of working out.
What we're doing is we're staying with my parents in Florida for the time.
Yay! Florida boating.
Yes.
Sunshine, beaches. Okay, some of that's not available yet right now, but should be fun.
Yep. So they live on a canal that goes out to the Gulf, and they have a boat. So we plan on getting our base tan before our adventure starts. Or I guess this counts as our adventure. Our adventure is starting.
Oh, it started.
Yeah.
It started for sure.
Movers did a great job yesterday. Got everything where they needed to go.
My back still works, which is great.
So now we have the cleaners coming, carpet cleaners, and that's it. Then we're out. We're recording this. I'm posting it tonight. So there you go. We're up to the minute live.
All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.
Bye. So that's what we have going on right now. If you want to find out why we started this crazy journey, click here. And if you just want to see what else is going on in our lives, click there. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.